So today we're gonna learn how to do a cat5 cable. Very easy. I'm gonna try to go fast. We're gonna cut the cable here, right? Okay, without cutting the inner cable. Then we're gonna separate this. See that this is like 1.5 inches. So I have this to guide myself. You can find that on Google or any other place. So we're gonna undo all the cables. A nice thing to get used to it will be to move the orange always to the left and the brown to the right, and the other two in the middle. Okay, now we take the orange to the left and the brown to the right. That's the way I like to do it. Now we're gonna undo these cables to make it straight, one by one. Okay, try to do it really fast so I don't edit the video. Okay, and then we do this. Okay, I'm gonna slow down and then I'll edit, so don't worry too much on there. So I'm gonna cut this little piece of rope because I don't like it. We'll edit. Okay, so we're gonna cut this. We separate them. Okay, orange to the left, brown to the right. Now we guide ourselves through this. Okay, the way it should go. So we got solid brown, then we got brown, then we got solid green, then we got white with a blue stripe, then we got solid blue, then we got white with a green, then we got solid orange, then we got white with orange. Once we have it in that position, without letting it go, we straight it up. Okay, so orange wants to go into second, but it's actually into third. Okay, we keep it up, we keep it up, we keep it up. Okay. Okay. We'll make it as straight as possible. I usually use my finger here, but you can measure kind of where it's gonna end up. This is gonna bite on the cable. So, okay. And then you cut them. Okay, all that debris, you have to pick it up later. Now, with the golden part to the top, make sure you can check it again. Brown, white with brown, solid green, blue, white with blue, solid blue, white with green, solid orange, orange. Now you're gonna go inside, okay, and go one by one, beautiful. Remember, the golden part goes to, you just crimp it, and these pieces, you see, that's gonna cut through the cable. Okay, and then you use a crimping tool. Okay, you can get a Home Depot for 45 bucks or so, and you crimp it. Okay, and that's how you do a cat5 cable.
DP right here.
Okay, we're gonna give some credit to our camera girl right there that helped us to do our first cat5. How to do your first cat5? You know, you're gonna need some tools. You're gonna need sharp tools and a sharp mind too. You need to know the code. Okay? And remember to check the cable after you make it with something like a tester.